Hey everyone, it's Cassandra with Pecan Porch Boutique. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today, you guys, I am going to be redoing the first of 4 doors in my house. As you can see, these are old doors, original to the house. I live in a house that's almost 100 years old. And I have been staring at these doors and staring at these doors. So I decided to do something a little bit different. So here I am. You can see that first of all, I'm starting out with paint. I'm using DIY's beadboard, and it definitely needed painting. So my plan is to use the Chateau Inlay by IOD to create kind of I don't know, maybe a worn kind of plastered look. So keep watching. So for anyone who has never used the IOD inlays, they are so fun and so very versatile and easy to use. Here I am, I'm just laying on, I've already done 2 coats of the beadboard, and now I'm just laying on another coat and laying my inlay into the paint. You want to make sure that you are putting your inlay with the grid side facing you and the paint side down. So I didn't want to go with a transfer or anything. Because the inlays are paint, I can, if I decide to do something different, then I can just paint right over them. So here I go, y'all. Watch as I kind of try to center these and get them on here. You've never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. So once I get them laid into my paint, and after I mist them up a little bit, I'm just going to rub them down with my hand and with a baby wipe, a damp baby wipe. You can use a sponge, you can use damp cloth. However you want to dampen yours up is fine, and however you want to, smooth them into your paint is fine. Some people use a brayer. I'm just going to use my hand, no big deal. It's easiest for me. So as I'm putting this on, if you want your inlay, and I wanted the middle part to butt up against each other, so you want to trim off that little edge so that you can get a really good, union between one side and the other. But you'll see as I go, I've kind of broke up the layout of how this is really supposed to go, just to kind of do my own thing. So, but yes, make sure that you trim off those little edges if you want them to match up. So here's the fun part, y'all. Once they dry, you just spritz them with a little water, just enough so that you can start peeling it back. Because you don't want to oversaturate it, but if it starts to tug, you want to make sure that you mist it or dampen it a little bit more so that it comes off easily. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. So now I'm going back in with the original beadboard white, and I'm just kind of taking back some of the inlay. Because again, I kind of want this to kind of look like maybe plaster or faded wallpaper, peeling wallpaper or something like that. And I'm also going back and I'm adding in some of the pieces that I've already used to add into some of the spaces where I might have had too much white. And unfortunately, I did not get on film me blending in around the door. But here you see I'm at the end and I'm putting on my DIY liquid patina to seal everything up. And here are the results, you guys. What do you think? I love how it came out. So much different than that plain white door that I had been staring at and that had been staring at me forever. I'm hoping that one day I'll open the door and I'll be in France. You never know, magic happens. But for now, it does look a lot better. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it as always. Maybe you'll give me a thumbs up. I hope you write a comment, and I certainly hope you will think about subscribing to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
You can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.